What are you doing, babe?
I am cutting some potatoes for breakfast to have in an egg tortilla thing. And then in about half an hour we have a call on Zoom to talk with a client. So yeah, this is how we eat almost every single day. This is usually our after gym snack, and in the mornings we usually have what? I don't even know. I think cereal or coffee, mostly coffee.
Only to like wake up and kind of get going.
Yeah.
And then we eat bigger after we work out.
And then of course we'd have to try to match that design with the current designs, and then
Alright guys, so it is right now like 11 a.m. We're just eating some yogurt. The call went so well. I'm so happy. I'm about to type up an invoice right after this. Get the proposal sent.
Yeah, the proposal too.
The proposal on the invoice, and then we're gonna move forward. So we're having a glizzy break right now, and we're gonna do some more work. We have to do some. So we finally got off with some work. We had 2 meetings today so far, and then I had to do some content writing for this other girl, and now we're skating. I'm so excited. We're about to get to the park. We're hopping on the bus now. So yeah, this is usually where we go skate at. This is the Tiger Skate Park in Oregon. It's honestly pretty gnarly. If you can see over here, everything is like freaking huge. There's just like a bunch of scooter kids here, just some little kids with their bikes. That is so cute. Like, I think 6 o'clock right now. We are gonna leave the park soon. Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, we're trying to get the hit and then go home.
Okay, you gonna get a kiss? I was telling them we're gonna get Carl's Jr. soon.
Yeah.
Our after skate snack.
Right.
Yeah, other than that, it's been an okay sesh for me. I kind of got to my goals of, like, I'm a very beginner skater, so I kind of got to my goal of trying to get onto the coping in the bowl, but it's still a challenge. I still can't rock to fakie just because I'm like so freaking scared, but that's something that will come with time. I got a nice boneless today, so that's cool. Boneless 180, and yeah, you know, it was I've been skating kind of like shit today, so maybe it's just one of those days.
I can't breathe. If I land a kickflip right now, we have to take the bus home. If I don't,
We have to walk 2 miles.
we have to walk 2 miles.
There we go. Pretty gnarly just on the walk home since he couldn't do a kickflip.
And then I got a kickflip like off of something later.
I know, then he got the kickflip off something later, so we might just call an Uber. Gone.
Dude, we're sleeping like babies tonight.
Give it to me.
You gotta show me all those clips when we get home.
I know. Look at you in your mask. It is currently 9:30. I just showered with my big head, you can see. So usually what I would do, I would usually get more work done, but I am like utterly exhausted. So I am going to probably just wait for Jordan to shower, have him come back. We'll do our little night routine, and And that was it. It's been a great day so far. We got so much work done. Tomorrow we're about to do it all again. So hope you guys enjoyed this.